Welcome to Tally Capital videos. In this video, you will learn how to check your business loan eligibility in Tally Capital plugin. You can choose to check the loan eligibility either by uploading your bank statements or based on your company books data. Checking eligibility using bank statements is recommended to generate more accurate eligibility information. From the gateway of Tally, press Alt 9 or click Tally Capital. Press F5 or click Check Eligibility on the Tally Capital screen. Enter the mobile number followed by the OTP. Under Business Details, enter your GSTIN or UIN and select the segment of your business. Enter your personal details. View the terms and privacy policy and agree to the terms and conditions. Enter the OTP received from CIBIL. Now, you can choose to check loan eligibility either as per bank statement or as per company books data. Note that if the mobile number and the email address entered under personal details match with your PAN, then only you will receive the OTP from CIBIL. If it does not match, then you will be prompted to enter an alternate number that matches your PAN details. You can enter the alternate number if available. If not, click Skip 2 questions to answer security questions. You will also be directed to the security questions when the alternate mobile number does not match your PAN details. You must answer at least 4 questions correctly to generate your CIBIL report. Now, click Eligibility as per bank statement or press Alt L. Note that you will have to upload the bank statements for the last 1 year. Select the account type from the list of account types. Upload the bank statement under file name and enter the password if the document is password protected. Press Ctrl A to submit the documents. It may take up to 45 seconds to generate your business loan eligibility. Press Y or click Yes. If you click No and proceed, your loan eligibility details will be sent to the given email address. You can see the eligible loan offer. Now, let us check loan eligibility as per company books. Click Eligibility as per company books or press Alt C. The loan offer appears on the right side of the screen. This amount is derived based on the summary of the selected company. It includes the average monthly GST sales, the segment of your business, and your existing EMI derived from the generated CIBIL report. You can also manually alter the average sales value, segment of your business, and EMI if required. The loan offer will change accordingly. Once the eligible business loan amount has been derived, press Alt A or click Apply now to get started with your loan application journey. Thank you. To know more about Tally Capital business loans, visit tallycapital.tallysolutions.com.